Hi guys, if you follow my Instagram or my Snapchat, I've had a lot of questions lately about the car wash that I made for my daughter. I actually made it last summer, but I never made a video of me actually making it. So I thought, okay, well, I'll just show you the things that I used and how I assembled it for this summer. So check it out. So I'm putting it together. I made it last year and I made it in a rectangular form, and I didn't want to make it too wide because then it starts getting floppy and it'll fall over. And I decorated it with pool noodles, and I'll show you in a minute how I cut some of these noodles. Right here you can see I'm just kind of cutting it into pieces all the way down, and when you do that you get these kind of like fluffy pieces. Just looks good. It's cute decoration. And I taped some in a circle. I just thought it would be something cool and fun this year. And so I just taped a few of these together in a circle like that. And of course, to make the water come out, I had to use a drill, and a really tiny drill bit. And I just drilled small little holes through the first layer of each PVC pipe. Again, you can get PVC pipe at Home Depot or Lowe's, any hardware store. The most important part is connecting it to the water. So here I bought a little connector piece, and I'm screwing it around my water hose, and then it just pumps water into the entire tubes all the way around. And I bought these at the dollar store. Aren't they cute? They're little animal scrubbies. Those were an extra little added fun effect. And again, you can see that the top part here, I have drilled some holes in. I'll show you that in just a second. Look at all these fun noodles. Those are the holes where some of the water's going to come out, and I've drilled those on all the top ones and a few of the side ones so we can have some crisscross water fun. And here is Lorelei and Violet playing in it. They like to play different ways. Sometimes they use it like an actual car wash, and sometimes they just run through it and let the water fall on their face. Lorelei was throwing things through the hoop pulls the other day. Through the hoop. And also it's really fun to set up a splash pool in there right at the very end. It just makes it so much more fun. This was such a cool project. I love this. I hope you enjoyed seeing how I made my daughter's car wash, and I hope you make an exciting one too. You can always hashtag BunnieClaire if you want to show off your design. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I have tons of fun things to do, lots of crafts to do this summer, so be sure to check it out. Bye!